Monster Hobbies received a new shipment of model cars. In this video, we're gonna check them out. Hello once again, Monster Hobbies Model Car Garage Mechanics. Are you looking for a brand new set of model cars to add to your collection, to build, or just to have fun with? Well, if so, check us out at www.monster-hobbies.ca because we've got a whole new set of model cars in. So in this video, we're going to take a look at 7 brand new model cars, and that's going to be a lot of fun. So let's go down to our bench and check these out. Once again, the good folks at Round 2 have re-released a model car kit that was much on many people's collector's wish list for many years. This model kit has not been out since 1976, which means that it has not seen the light of day for 46 years. This, of course, is the AMT 1923 Ford Model T Depot Hack. So what is a Depot Hack? Well, the Depot Hack was a special car that was built with the main purpose of shuttling people from the train station to the hotels or estates in which that they could stay a night and then get on the train the next morning and head on to their destinations. The special features of this Retro Deluxe model kit is that this is the first reissue in 4 decades. It has 2 building options, detailed decal sheet, and vintage original packaging. The first version of this kit that you can build is, of course, the Depot Hack shown on the front of the box. And here we can see the wonderful wooden seats with the metal backs. These seats are fully removable, and you also have the top with the roll-down side curtains and the wonderful Model T steering wheel and shift levers. And the second way that you can build this model is of the Express Wagon. And the Express Wagon would have been a more heavy-duty style pickup truck featuring wooden side panels and a wooden bed. And this model is fairly simplistic to build. All you need to do is leave off the top and add in a few extra pieces. The Depot Hack is a skill level 2 model kit for ages 10 and up and requires paint and glue, which are not included with the model. Here we have the AMT 1925 Ford Model T Chopped T. Now this model kit is really amazing because you actually get 2 cars in here. One that you can build as this great chopped down street rod, and the other you can build as a complete stock factory car, just like Henry Ford would have brought out of his factory back in 1925. The special features are that you can build 2 complete cars, pre-lettered drag slicks, optional tinted windows, and customizing decals and parts. On this side of the box, we can see the original Model T in all its glory. Now, Henry Ford did say from 1916 to 1926 that you could have any car color as long as it was black, but here we can see that the artist decided to paint the model tan, which a person could do back in the day just by using a paintbrush and some paint. On this side of the box, we can see the amazing rat-rotted version of this model kit. Again, this is the second model that you can build out of this kit. It's got the bob fenders, it's chopped, it's been channeled, it's also been Z-sectioned, and you get this amazing Mercury Edsel Lincoln motor, otherwise known as the Mel motor, right in that engine bay. Again, a really cool kit. Over here, if I just slide the box, you can see that you can build 2 complete cars, completely detailed, show-winning, stock, custom, and street-equipped drag racing car. This is one of the Trophy Series models. Using these detailed features, you get 2 complete engines, stock and high-performance V8, pre-lettered racing slicks, optional tinted windows, open wheels or salt flat discs, deluxe customizing decals, loads of chrome-plated parts. This is a skill level 2 model kit for ages 10 and up. It will require paint and glue in order to put together. Paint and glue is not included with this model. We hope you're enjoying this video so far, our nice little look at the model car collection. And if you're looking for a great channel which showcases model cars, also talks about new releases and has unboxing videos, as well as tip and tech videos, if that's right up your alley, Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this channel with all your friends and family. So now let's carry on with our great model car expose. Now here's another fun model kit. This is the Atlantis 1926 Mack AC Bulldog log hauler. And as you can see, this is a large kit because it fills up the whole frame of the camera. Again, a nice 1/24 scale model kit. Now unfortunately the driver figure is not included, but you do get everything else like the Big Oak Timber Company decals and the wonderful Mack truck with the big engine in it and everything else. Chain driven truck, which was really one of the alternative methods of driving vehicles back in the old days. And you also get these really cool logs and some chucks in here to help stop the logs from falling off. Again, you have to check this one out on our website because it is too big for me to pitch the ends of the boxes on in video here. But again, really awesome. The length is 10.5 inches long, 136 parts, molded in color, and you also get great water slide decals. Skill level 2 model kit for ages 10 and up. Paint and glue is required, but not included in this kit. So again, check it out on our website. Are you looking for a great model car to add to a 1920s Chicago downtown street scene? Well, check out this vintage police car by AMT. This is a great 1927 Ford Model T kit which includes all the bells, whistles, and sirens needed in order to build a vintage police car. This is a 1/25th scale model car kit that you're going to enjoy. On this side of the box we can see all the great features like the Chief's chrome-plated star, spare tire with a cover, 4 vinyl vintage tires with spoked wheels, plated siren, sawed-off shotgun, a flashlight, 2 nightsticks, the original patrol version of the stock Model T engine, a megaphone, 2 police helmets, side mirror, and the high-speed pursuit engine, which was a Frontenac with dual overhead cams. And here's a close-up of those illustrations just so you can see them in better detail. Check all that stuff out. Really fun for dioramas as well as to use on other model car kits. And on this side of the box we can see an alternate version of the Model T police car with the Frontenac motor in there for the high-speed chases, as well as the side curtains in case it needs to go on a rainy day. The 1927 Ford Model T Vintage Police Car is a Skill Level 2 model kit intended for ages 10 and up and will require paint and glue in order to put it together, which is not included in the kit. Are you interested in seeing a full unboxing of this model? Well, if so, please click this link up here and you can check that out right now. Thank you for watching this video up to this point. It really means a lot to us. And if you're enjoying these great model cars, we want to offer you a special promo code where you can save a little bit off your next purchase at www.monster-hobbies.ca. Just enter the promo code YouTube so that we know that you watched this video on this channel and then got interested enough in our model cars to maybe pick up a few. So that promo code once again is YouTube over at www.monster-hobbies.ca. So now let's go and check out the other models that we have. And here we have another great model kit from round 2. This time around it's the MPC 1932 Gangbusters version of the Chrysler Imperial 8 convertible coupe with a rumble seat. This again is a retro deluxe kit. Special features is an 18-piece motorcycle, which has not been in this kit for decades. Expanded decal sheet, bullet-riddled windows, and 2 gangster figures. On this side of the box we can see that wonderful 18-piece police motorcycle, and like I was saying, this has not been in the kit for many releases, so it's nice to see it back again. Here we have a 4-piece safe with an opening door. We also have an opening briefcase with money decal sheet inside. And then here we've got a nice jewelry case, and the jewels are actually molded on a clear piece of plastic and you just paint them in. Up here we can see these amazing spotlights on poles. We also have a nice luggage rack down below, 2 complete figures, and a full gangster arsenal, including the sniper rifle, Tommy gun, and .38 special. And then we also have the wonderful Chrysler straight 8 engine with the freewheeling transmission at the back. Now over here in this box we can read off the features, and we get a straight 8 cylinder motor, super detailed chassis, one-piece body, working rumble seat, convertible top and boot, white wall tires, 2 spotlights, police siren, chrome hood louvers, chrome running board strips, extra bullet-ridden windshield and radiator, Tommy gun, steering wheel turns the front wheels, .38 revolver, sniper rifle, Tommy gun, 2 gangster figures with extra arms, multi-piece safe, jewel box, money case, folding luggage racks, plus full color decals. If this sounds exciting to you, check it out over on our website. On this side of the box, we get our wonderful side view of our Chrysler with over 200 total parts, including bullet-riddled windshield option, convertible top or boot, and more. The MPC 1932 Chrysler Imperial 8 Gangbusters Edition is a skill level 2 model kit for ages 10 and up, and if you would like to see a complete unboxing of this model car kit, check out the link scrolling above. If you're into Coca-Cola collectibles, you're really going to love this AMT 1941 Plymouth Businessman's Coupe with the Coca-Cola decals. On this side of the box, we see that our model kit includes 4 bottle crates, which contain the green glass Coca-Cola bottles. We also have this rear 3/4 shot in an alternative paint scheme for our Businessman's Coupe. Our AMT Classic 41 Plymouth features include 2 engine options, including custom engine shown, stock tires and wheels, custom tires and wheels, and colorful Coca-Cola decals. Here's a look at a close-up of all those illustrated parts. Man, there's some really cool stuff in here, and that decal sheet gives you so many options in order to dress up this model. The AMT 1940 Plymouth Businessman's Coupe Coca-Cola Edition is a skill level 2 model kit intended for ages 10 and up, and will require paint and glue, not included in this model kit. You know, that 1941 Plymouth is one of my personal favorite model kits from all time from AMT, and I've built this really nice one, which you can see here. It goes together really easily and looks beautiful on your shelf. And you know, speaking of model cars, there's one thing that I would love to do. I've recently inherited my dad's collection. He passed away in 2019, and I also have my own collection as well. And we're talking a lot of model cars. There's so many, in fact, that I could make my own museum. And I would really love to do that because I can build scenes with figures in them, you know, showcasing the 1930s, the 40s with all these great cars, all kinds of really cool things. But I can't do that without help. So I've created a join button down here on the YouTube channel, as well as a Patreon page. And for as little as $3 a month, you can help support us in making that dream come true, if that sounds like a good idea to you. Now, if you do become a member on either Patreon or on YouTube down here in the join button, I will personally put your name in the end credits as a thank you for your support. So without further ado, let's go and check out the remaining model car kits in this video. It's summertime again, and there's no better time to grab yourself a nice, cool Coca-Cola model car kit from MPC. This is the Coca-Cola 1969 Dodge Charger RT Snap Together Kit, and it's a great joy to build. This model car is suitable for the beginner or experienced modeler, optional parts included, and you get this really wonderful decal sheet. Here we've got a nice close-up of the rear 3/4 of the car. Again, a really excellent little illustration. And over here you can see all our wonderful decals on that great decal sheet. Here's the features of this model car. Molded in 3 colors, no paint required, snaps together, colorful decal sheet, and the windows are injected in Coca-Cola bottle green. Here's a close-up of the built model car kit, and again you can see just how wonderful this looks. This would be an amazing model for your shelf. Goes together easily, good for a beginner model, and as a teaching project for an experienced modeler to show somebody that's just starting out. The MPC 1969 Dodge Charger RT kit is a skill level 2 plastic model kit It is a snap-together kit, so it doesn't require the paint and glue like the other kits, and will build up to make a nice model for your shelf. Thank you once again, Monster Hobbies Model Car Garage Mechanics, for making it to the end of this video. And just so that we know who you are, please write the word Coca-Cola down in the comment section below. This way we can see which ones of you are in our 20% that watch the video all the way through from start to finish. So until next time, everybody, I really hope you check out those model cars we have for sale at www.monster-hobbies.ca and use that promo code YouTube in order to save yourself a little bit of money. And until next time, everybody, happy model building, and we'll see you in the next video.